Hey guys, it's me Jacob and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be looking at an app that makes your Google Home a lot better. So the app is called IFTTT. If this then that. So basically you create custom commands that you can say to Google. So for example, if you say okay Google, I'm running late, you create that custom command and then you can send it to your family members and it'll text them that I'm running late. So it's a lot easier instead of you going into your messages and making it a lot easier. So let's look at the app. So I'm going to put a pop screen right here. So you open IFTTT. As you can see here, we have our recommended stuff. So as for recommended, you have all these stuff. Not all of them, like I said, are related to Google. There's some that are for notifications, for iOS, for Android. So you get a variety of things. This also works with Alexa. So if you want to see a video on that, leave a like. And here we see some Alexa stuff. And here we have a Google thing. So for example, I have this one turned on. So instead of saying, okay Google, turn on, find my phone, I can say,
The mic's back on.
okay Google, where is my phone?
Calling you.
It's gonna do that, and it's gonna call as displayed here, and it'll leave me a notification that says that it's called me. For now, I'm going to decline that. So to create a custom command, you have to go to My Applets. So you got to press that plus button. So you press the this button. You choose what you're working with. So for me, I'm using Google and not Alexa. So I'll search in Google, and you find your Google Assistant. And then some things we can tell her. We can tell her to say a phrase with a number, a simple phrase, say a phrase with a text ingredient, say a phrase with both a number and a text ingredient. For now, we're going to use a simple phrase, so let's press on that. So here we choose what we want to say. So something I could say is, put on Twitter, and then ... And then you have other ways of saying this, and you can say a way for your assistant to respond. So Google would respond. So once you press next, you press on the that button. So once you've done that, you find what you want it to trigger. So since we're using Twitter, we press on Twitter. So let's tell her to post a tweet. Okay, so we have to connect our Twitter. I mean, that's pretty general. I've never done this. So I'm going to connect my Twitter. Now I have to put my username and password. So once you connect your Twitter account to IFTTT, I'm going to choose post a tweet. So when I say okay Google, and I say post a tweet, and she's gonna post a tweet. So what I'm gonna write here is, hey, what's going on? So once I do that, I'm gonna press next. And now, when I say, if you say put on Twitter, then post the tweet to Jacob Hannah. That's correct. So let's finish it. And there we go. Now let's try it. Okay, Google, post to Twitter.
Okay, posting on Twitter.
So as you can see, that actually worked. Now, this isn't just some weird app. This is a really good app. And like I said, it has tons and tons of services that not just work with Google, with Alexa, with any of the smart devices. And it could also work for notifications. So one of them was a really cool one where it'll tell you when the International Space Station is above your house, which is pretty cool. Something's not needed, but cool. So like I said, this will make your life a lot easier, and it's just a lot cooler. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to leave a like if you liked it. It really helps me out, makes me see that you guys like my content. And make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.